So I'm out of day trades. Hello. Um, I had to refund my Trade Zero account a little bit. So I tried some like practice trades, like paper trades mental, and BNGO is a former runner. It has some news about earnings and their earnings were losses. So I was like, and I don't like this daily chart, so it doesn't look strong. So I was like, oh, it's totally gonna double top right here. So I entered here mentally at like 522, risking 527. And I thought it was cool because I'm not buying a bottom. You know what I mean? I'm buying a top, risking off of a high, pre market high. But this one actually spiked at the open. So I don't think pre-market is a good idea. I think around this like 9:35, 6, sometimes 10 o'clock area is much better. Like this is clearly the top because it goes like, this is and then higher and then finally lower. So I like this point better, 553, risking 558. And this had 50 cents of drop. I had another idea on Jivo. Jivo also has the same type of like, not going anywhere thing. These were both top percent gainers. And I didn't look at their earnings, but um whatever, I don't know. Maybe their earnings were good. I don't know. I have to check it later. Um so my idea was probably like the top of this candle, five, or maybe I tried to get in here. I don't remember, or maybe I tried to get in here. Or no, I remember. I think I tried to get in here. This like this. I tried to get in here risking this. But this was actually the high. And then it dropped to only 30 cents really and then made a new high. So like I like this idea too, 564, entering here at like 560, risking off of this new high of day. It really depends on what the earnings were. I didn't read it, but both of them have high floats, but it's just kind of weird. Like I can't do pre-market, I can't do the open. I have to wait for something to show itself. Louis always tells me like be patient enough for the stock to like blossom like a flower. So this is really where it gets toppy. Um, let's see what else. That's really it for today. I didn't like a lot of things. Let's see what's going on with VVNT. I just look at top percent gainers as they come up. So I don't like this daily chart. They've got earnings transcript. 1435. So like if I just saw this, I would take a position here risking off of this, but only after I saw whether the earnings were positive or negative. But I don't know. It's tricky, man. It's tricky. What's this? KBNT? KBNT. Yeah, I would this one doesn't have any news. I would short this one too. I would get in right here, 470 risking 490 because it's just a random old spike. Maybe I'll day trade this one. I mean, like mentally day trade this one and see what would have happened. And I'll mentally day trade this one too. And then I'll look at the earnings and maybe make a video for later on what ended up happening. Oh, do you see? This one broke out again. Probably has positive earnings is what's going on. Because it's just new high, new high, new high. Like breakout, 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 I don't want to fuck with a breakout. Even though it's a big float with not a lot of volume, not a top percent gainer, like, I don't know. Or, Oh, I don't like that it's broken out so many times. This is very bullish, or shorts getting squeezed or something. Mosey, I'm waiting for a red day. These two would be my idea. Anyway, that's all for now. Hope you have a good day. Oh wait, let's look at Ren before I leave. RENN. This has another weird, just random spiker. I would short this one too because yes, it's having a first green day. I don't see any news, and it's just a random spiker. It doesn't have a lot of volume. They could have made liquidity issues, so this looks kind of dangerous, honestly. But I would take a stab, risking 1075. But this volume is really, really bad. The fact that it went up $1.75 on this liquidity is super dangerous looking to me. So I would actually not touch this. I don't like it. I'm gonna get rid of it. Okay, bye guys.